Hey guys, welcome back to Explore with Faynets. In today's recipe, I am making an easy oven, crispy, golden and juicy spatchcocked chicken, and it only takes 4 steps to prepare this chicken. It's your chicken, season however you want it. You can also adjust the ingredients to your liking. If you want it a bit more spicy, just add chili powder. So we start on by preparing our seasoning. For seasoning, I'm using 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, thyme, mixed herbs, oregano, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, coriander, paprika, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Whisk all the ingredients to combine and set aside, and that is all you need to season your chicken. For the chicken, we start off by removing the backbone so that the chicken will lay flat on the grill. So you can use a sharp knife or a scissors, kitchen scissors. Then break the breastbone by cutting it with a knife and press down on the wings to make sure it's flat. This is a great way of making sure the chicken cooks evenly. Then you need to wash your chicken. I always like my chicken clean if I'm going to eat the skin, so I always make sure I wash my chicken clean whenever I cook it. Then pat dry with a paper towel just to get rid of all the excess water. Now it's time to season our chicken. You can use either gloves or any freezer food bags like what I'm doing here because that's what I have. Then apply the marinade to the chicken. Just make sure you apply it just to cover the whole chicken. Then place the chicken in a large dish with sides so the marinade doesn't spill. Apply the majority of the marinade on the chicken. Make sure you apply everywhere between the wings, thighs, and underneath the chicken skins. This will ensure the best flavor ever. So make sure you get as much as you can underneath the skin. Keep the chicken flat with the skin side up, then cover your chicken with a cling film. And for the best flavor, allow your chicken to marinate in the fridge overnight before grilling, or the minimum hours you can marinate your chicken is 4 hours, but it tastes much better if you leave it overnight. It's now time to grill our chicken, so preheat your oven and grill it at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. I cook at a low heat so my chicken gets cooked through. Then after 30 minutes, flip it over and cook for another 30 minutes. Here we have fully cooked the chicken. Now you can use any barbecue sauce of your choice and brush the chicken starting with the inside, Then put it back in the oven, increase heating to 170 degrees and grill it for 8 to 10 minutes. Here is our chicken after 10 minutes on grill. So flip it over, brush with the remaining sauce and grill for another 10 minutes. Make sure you watch it so it won't burn. And our chicken is done. Let it rest for 10 minutes before you can serve. This is our finished barbecue grilled chicken. It's so juicy, crispy and golden. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Until next time then, bye for now.